So in case the voice typing microphone icon is missing from the keyboard of your Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro, then here's what to do. Now, what you need to do is find the keyboard menu, right? So you can either find the keyboard menu by either tapping that to show the real menu, and then you want to tap on settings, and then that opens the keyboard settings, and then you should see voice typing. Tap on that and make sure this is enabled. If it's disabled, that's the reason you're not seeing that little microphone icon, okay? But if it's enabled, beg your pardon, let's go back to the settings page. If it's enabled like that, then whenever you're on the keyboard, you will see that icon. Okay. Thanks for watching and good luck.